Car companies make leasing look easy, but in reality, it can be quite complicated. A significant challenge faced by today's car leasing networks is that even though the physical supply chain is usually integrated, the supporting information systems are often fragmented. Imagine a world where every participant in this network could monitor, access, and share and analyze consistent and up-to-date information, irrespective of where the vehicle is in its life cycle. Imagine one agreed view of the complete vehicle history, and how this would improve service, warranty, and/or recall costs. By providing an agreed, shared record of vehicle information as it's transferred across the supply chain, blockchain solutions from IBM can deliver just that. Let's take a look at how this would work. The government regulator creates and populates the registration for the new vehicle, which is loaded onto the blockchain. The smart contract ensures that only the regulator can do this. The regulator then transfers ownership of the vehicle to the manufacturer by invoking a transaction on the blockchain. The transaction is verified if all relevant parties agree. This is referred to as consensus, and it's made more efficient through blockchain usage. IBM Blockchain allows the validation method to be tailored to meet the needs of the business network. The manufacturer adds the make, model, and vehicle identification number to the vehicle template, again as permitted by the smart contract. This update is visible to all members of the supply chain with the right permission. For example, dealerships in the network can see the new stock availability. The vehicle can then be transferred to the dealership on execution of a smart contract of sale. Again, the transaction is verified if all relevant parties agree and the vehicle template on the blockchain updated for all members of the network with appropriate permissions to see. After the vehicle is transferred to the leasing company, a lessee can finally lease the car. This synchronized process continues across the supply chain as the car passes to the end user and eventually to the scrap merchant who, as governed by the smart contract, has permission to dispose of the vehicle at the end of its life. At all stages, the security, integrity, and validity of vehicle information is assured using proven cryptographic services. With IBM Blockchain, you will be able to reduce the processing time to minutes instead of days. Since all the data is now stored in a secure, distributed ledger, all members of the supply chain never have to worry about vehicle information inconsistencies, leading to increased efficiencies, improved resilience with mitigation from cybersecurity and fraud risks. And not just that, IBM Blockchain will significantly bring down the processing costs by reducing the overhead associated with intermediaries.